Hello students, today I am going to start your new chapter, My Shadow. This is a short poem, okay? Do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? It is your shadow, okay? So let's start the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. In this stanza, the boy is fantasized with his shadow and likes to observe it. He says that he has a little shadow that is always present with him when he is going out anywhere in the sun. The boy knows that there is more that he can do with the shadow than just observing it, following him around everywhere. In this stanza, the boy says that he has a little shadow and it is just like him, from the heels to the head. Here, the poet uses heel to head to show that the boy is fascinated that the shadow is connected to him from the heel and then grows towards the head. The boy is excited to see how the shadow is always ahead of him and jumps in the bed before he does. He gets excited to see how it is always following him, but it is always ahead of him too. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Here, the boy is fantasized by how the shadow grows abnormally like he has never seen before. He says that the shadow grows faster, unlike the normal kids who grow slower than he. He also gets excited to see how the shadow grows bigger all of a sudden without his knowledge, and sometimes it is so small that it is not seen at all. He is surprised by how the shadow grows big and small every day, which he has not seen happening to anyone or anything else around him. Now, this is the last stanza. One morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. In these lines, now the poet describes a moment when the boy got up from his bed in the early morning before sunrise. He woke to a beautiful dewy morning where he saw dew shining on every leaf. The sun was only in the horizon and there was not much light around him, and he could not see his shadow. The poet portrays the excitement of the boy to see that for the first time his shadow was not following him, and he says that his shadow felt very lazy and stayed behind at home while he was enjoying the sunrise, while he was enjoying the beauty of nature. His shadow stayed at his bed. This also means that when the boy got in the bed, his shadow went in with him, but when he got out of it in the morning, his shadow didn't come along.